Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and I hope everyone is having a good start to their week. So today I was planning on doing a back to school makeup tutorial, but I kind of realized that I'm kind of late to that. The week just kind of got away from me and I didn't realize, and I think the majority of everyone has already started school back up, so it really wouldn't make sense for me to do one of those. So instead I thought I would just do an easy everyday makeup look that you could wear to school. Something, you know, that wouldn't take too long, but it would also make you feel fresh and just ready for the day. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do today. And also, all the products that I'm going to be using in this video today are all drugstore products, so that you won't have to go out and go to Ulta or anywhere and, you know, spend a lot of money just to get this look. And honestly, guys, if you already have makeup, if you already have your own makeup, you can just, you know, use whatever foundation you have for this tutorial. You don't have to use the foundation I have. You know, really, you don't have to go out and buy the products that I have just to get this look. You can just use whatever you guys have. But if you are looking for suggestions on what products to get, if you don't have products, then I suggest a lot of these products that I have in front of me. And I'll just be going through them and showing you guys what I have. But the main goal of this video is just to create a look that is very simple and fresh looking. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into this tutorial. Alright, so the only thing I don't have drugstore related is a primer. So I already primed my face. So yeah, just grab whatever primer you guys have or whichever one's your favorite and just go ahead and put that on. That's the only step I'm going to be skipping. But to go in with foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This one is honestly my favorite drugstore foundation that I've tried so far. I've tried out several other ones and they're just not, there's nothing wrong with them, it's just they don't have the coverage like this one does. I like foundations more that have more of a medium to full coverage, and the ones that I tried recently at the drugstore, they're all like light coverage, which is fine, but for me I prefer one with more coverage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. Just if anyone is curious, I have mine in 00 Light Neutral. So that's what shade I am in. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and I'm just going to spot conceal now. I have a couple of pimples that I want to go ahead and cover up that the foundation just didn't quite do. It's just from them being so red. Alright, now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I have mine in the shade Nude Ivory. And I'm just going to start placing this under my eyes and on my chin and forehead. The only thing I don't like about this concealer is the smell of it. It smells like chemicals. Like, it almost smells like paint, honestly. But it's the only drugstore concealer that I kind of like at the moment. I haven't really found a concealer at the drugstore that I really like. But it's all I have right now, and I mean, it's the one that I do like. It's the only one that I found that works out of all the ones that I've tried so far. But I'm still kind of on the hunt for a really good drugstore concealer. So if you guys have a favorite drugstore concealer, one that you really like, then go ahead and leave it down in the comment area for me. If you would like, I'm trying to find one, I just haven't found one, but if you guys have a favorite, then I'm curious to know what it is. Alright, now to set my face, I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Clean Professional Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my T-zone and under my eye area. I don't usually set my whole face, but I am going to set my T-zone. Just in areas that I usually see that my foundation rubs off the quickest. now I'm going to move on to eyebrows, and to do my eyebrows I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and I have mine in soft brown. And this is honestly my favorite drugstore brow product right now. I just really like how small the pencil part is, and I like that it has a little bitty spoolie brush, and I don't know, it just matches me pretty well. And I just think it's a really good product, but I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows now. Alright, brows are finished. I don't usually do a whole lot to my brows. I just kind of fill them in a little bit where they're kind of patchy. I really like more of a natural eyebrow look, so I really don't do too much to them, just kind of darken them a little bit. So moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is honestly one of my favorite bronzers from the drugstore, and I think it's pretty well known. But I'm just going to go ahead and use this to bronzen up the skin a bit. Alright, and now moving on to blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Blush. I have mine in the shade Berry Amore, and I'm just going to pop that on the tops of my cheeks. But here's what the blush looks like. It's very pretty, and it has kind of a little bit of like gold in it, so it kind of just makes the blush look a little glowy. Now honestly, I could just leave my face like it is because that blush did add kind of a glow to my face. I could leave it like that, but on days that I'm feeling a little extra, and if you are too, you can add a highlight to your face, and the highlight that I'm going to be using is the CoverGirl Peach Punch Highlighter. And here's what this looks like, and I'm just going to add a little bit to my Cupid's bow. Now, I will say that this highlight does have a bit of shimmer in it, so if you don't like shimmer, you probably won't like this. I know Milani has quite a few good highlighters, so if you don't want something with a little shimmer in it, then maybe pick up one of theirs. This highlight does smell like peaches though, so that's kind of nice. Alright, and now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to keep it very simple, so I'm just going to go back. Into that Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to use this as an eyeshadow. Really just to add a little something to your eye, but not necessarily having to dip into a palette. And I'm just going to blend this out on my lid. Just so that it doesn't look like you don't have anything on your lid. And it just kind of ties in with the rest of your face. Now I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm going to use the Milani Dangerous Length Mascara. Alright, and now moving on to lips, I'm going to be using the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. Now it does say that this does a plumping on the lips, but I really don't notice it doing that, but I do really like it as a lip gloss. And I have mine in the shade 04, which is Luminoso. And I just think this adds a really nice shine to the lips. Alrighty, and then to set everything off, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Outlast Active Setting Mist. And I'm just going to use this to set my face. Alrighty guys, and that is it. This is a very simple, everyday makeup look that you could use for school. I think it is very fresh, refreshing look. Keep it very natural, and it really didn't take that long to do. I would say, you know, beside from me filming it, it would probably take me about 10 minutes, honestly. 15 tops. But yeah, I still think this is a great look right now for summer especially. You can always switch things up if you want to add a little more color to the eyes, you can. But really, I'm just trying to show you guys something that's very easy to do and that you can do it real quick. but it still makes you look put together. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if this is types of videos that you like seeing. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope everyone has a wonderful school year, and I will catch you guys in my next video.